Well, that was fun. Freezing the bearing didn't work. I had to use the press. And I accidentally caught this side, so I had to file it down. I'll get some steel wool and clean all that up before we install that back into the housing. I suspect this might need to be pressed as well. I got it temporarily back together. I mean, it's not seated all the way, but it should be down in there enough. For us to test the bushing and the bearing here. So let's see if there's a difference in speed and what it sounds like. It should be pretty quiet now. Oh yeah. Much better. Okay. 70 by 2 millimeter, 70 OD ring here. And it needs to go on this lip right here. And if it's a little too tight to stay on there and it wants to roll, just stretch it a little bit. And that's seated pretty good down in there now. This cap, this housing, this needs to be tapped down just a little bit more. Still nice and loose. Let's see how it runs now before I finish doing all of them. Power, let's see, positive to red. Brown is ground. Oh, it doesn't sound good. When I was pressing it in, there, the socket must have slipped over a little too far. That doesn't sound much better now, does it? Well, I mean, it'll work. We'll see for how long. Go ahead and finish crimping the rest of these over. I mean, that's all it's going to be doing is... Alright, let's put it back in the housing. Let's put the pump head back on it and then run it. Nothing binding up. Okay. I guess we can put it all back together now. I do have another one on order from eBay though, so we'll see what condition the valve body's in. I may keep this as a spare if the other one is in better shape, just to have this because I know this works. If the other one works, then I'll know I have a pump body, a motor and pump that works.